Well, that was a fail. Perfect. I know it didn't make the sound of the balloon. Doesn't matter, as long as you let go, it's more fun. There we go. Just the way I like it.